nearby people started believing on him or her. The ideas apply on my business were very successful, and I am so much happy now. Thanks. All right.
Thank you, Aditya. Respect a big, clap at least from my side. And I don't know about all of you, but I think it was from deep of his heart, very emotional for me at least, as he mentioned about my father and my brother, and I don't know, the one thing which my parents always has given me the value. They have tried to inculcate those values in me all the time, that be hardworking, be compassionate, and always nice to people. I wish I can do that. I'm trying to, but I wish I could be like my dad. though I though we argue on certain things, but I feel like my dad has helped a lot of businessmen in his community to grow lipid bonds, and Adarsh Raj is one among them. His story is definitely going to inspire all of us from I won't say rags to reach, but it's like rags to at least the middle class. He's doing so well in a business. So thank you, others, and thank you for acknowledging our family. I don't know. I don't want to be get too emotional into that. All right. So we will give 1 minute of time to Sakti if he need, or else if you have evaluation ready, we will move on.
Yes, we can move on.
All right. So now the next on the list is our guest. I would call, and she is very special. And I have never met her personally, but I have heard a lot of good things about her from Sakti. How she has taught
Yes.
Sakti about accountability, adaptability, and what responsibility. So I would be so happy to hear from Pallavi. Guys, please help me welcome Pallavi. And I'm going to evaluate Pallavi. So I'm going to read what I'm going to evaluate you on. I think it's there on my cell phone. All right. My target speaker Pallavi is going to give her icebreaker speech. Her objectives are to begin speaking before an audience, to discover speaking skills you already have, and skills that need some or little attention. Time is 4 to 6 minutes. All the best, Pallavi. Well,
Hello everyone, my name is Pallavi Divedi. The meaning of Pallavi is bud or new leaves, and it also reflects in my personality, as I am always open to new learnings, new opportunities, and new adventures in my life. The desire to know and understand more is what that drives my wanderlust. To me, traveling is a spiritual experience. I travel because I can connect with nature. I have traveled around 15 states of India in the last 3 years. I travel because it helps me to get out of my comfort zone. All my apprehensions disappear when I travel. Now, I would like to discuss the various phases of my life, starting from my childhood. I was born in Agra, a city in India which is famous for one of the seven wonders of the world, Taj Mahal. I spent my entire childhood at my native place, Farrukhabad, Uttar Pradesh, with joint family, where I learned about togetherness, responsibilities, importance of family, sharing and caring. I was the only girl child among my siblings and cousins, so was quite pampered. Our family was quite broad-minded and educated, though we were living in a small town. My grandmother was a principal of a government girls' schools, and my father and my uncles were also teachers. So, hence the importance, education was considered important for us. I was good at athletics in my school and won several prizes too. After completing my schooling, I moved to a new city, Lucknow, to pursue my engineering degree in computer science. This was the second phase of my life. My college experience was both of maturing and learning. In college life, you meet different people, you get to know about the different cultures and background, and you grow as a person. You interact with people and you judge their behavior, which is an important life learning skills. I was a sincere student in the college and performed well in the academics. I played various sports, volunteered events, and made some good friends. And one of the best thing happened in my college is that I met my life partner. The next phase of my life is the professional phase. I started my career as a Java developer and I got interested in the language and also cleared the SCGP certification of Java programming. I learned interpersonal skills, relationship management with your boss and colleagues to work in a team in my professional career. I have also worked on one of the famous websites, Trivago.in. There were several ups and downs in my professional life. I have also worked as a faculty in a training center. Changing professions was quite challenging. At the same time, it was a great learning experience at which I excel. This phase made me more patient and mature person. What I have understood that life is unpredictable. Anything can happen. You have to be ready with your both arms open to welcome every opportunity. Right now, I can define myself as an optimistic, confident, and an ebullient person. Currently, I am pursuing my master's degree in computer science and engineering. And my career goal is to complete my master's and apply for a teacher assistant in a college. I would like to end my speech with a small quote that teaching is the only profession which invents all other professions. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you, Pallavi. It was again inspirational speech. Thank you for describing about your life and sharing all the good experience with us. I totally agree to you. Teaching is the only profession you can touch the society,
Yeah.
and I believe in that. Education is the only medium you can make a broad change in the society, and you can touch the life of people. So thanks for reminding us again.
You're welcome.
With that, that concludes our. I need 1 minute of time, so I will be back in 1 minute. I have to make notes for evaluation for Pallavi, so I will be back in 1 minute. I'm good for now. Well, that concludes our segment one, which was a prepared speech. Now I will call our Asutos to host a table topic. Asutos, go ahead and go with your table topic.
Thank you so much, Ajay. So, my first question to Mr. Vaibhav. Hello? Hello, Vaibhav, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay. So, my questions to you is: do you think crying is a sign of weakness or strength?
I
Should I
think
repeat?
no, I got it.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a sign of strength.
Okay. So, will you please explain a little bit about it?
Yeah, I feel that it's really difficult to show our true emotions to people. Basically, we would like not to be shown as vulnerable in front of others. So being
Right.
honest to oneself and being able to express ourselves in a true manner is a sign of strength.
Okay. So, thank you. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
So, my next question is with Pallavi. Hello.
Yes, Ashutosh.
Okay. My question is: if you had to teach something, what would you teach?
I will teach to just be a human being before being anything else. Just try to be human being.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, welcome.
And next question with Ajay.
Okay, all
Hello.
right. Yes, sir. Go ahead.
sorry to disturb you, Ajay.
No. Go ahead.
Okay.
I asked a lot of questions, so you have all
Okay.
leave it.
When was the last time you have tried something new?
I think that's a very important question. When was the last time I tried something new?
Yes.
Maybe I would say when was the first time? I think that would make more sense. Last time,
Yeah.
last night. I always
Yes,
I
yes, go ahead.
always believed that I have some gift which has provided by Almighty to me, and that is that I'm unique. I'm unique in my personality. I don't want to follow anybody else. I want to create my own benchmark in this industry or in this profession. So if
Okay.
you ask me last night what I tried something new, I was reading a lot of books. Last year I did 24 books, and I was trying to make a note of it so that I can recall it and apply all those techniques in life. And one idea that came top of my head was, okay, I have been reading a lot. So let's try to implement that in practically in life. I was doing it. I was taking a note of it, and I was putting on my wall hangings, you know, so to understand, like, okay, these are the ideas which I got from book called The Magic of Thinking Big. That was
Okay.
working pretty well, but I thought, okay, let me try something different. Every morning, if I get up and ask myself one question, out of these 20 ideas which I have right now on my wall, I can take a picture and send in the WhatsApp group. So which is the best I can take it today that will bring a impact in my life? I think that this is the idea I got at 11:30 last night. And whenever I get an idea, I just note it down on a book, because next morning if I get up, I cannot recall that idea. And this morning I was asking myself, what is the one idea I'm going to implement? And the one idea which I would like to implement for today is, I'm going to ask myself a question: how I can do my job in a much organized way. So that was the something I tried new last night. I try a lot of new things every day, because I feel like I have a lot of talent. It is how I have to learn how to nurture those talent and touch the life of people. And I have been trying to do. I have been trying to learn from all of you. If I
Okay.
try something new tomorrow, tonight, then I will share tomorrow. Tomorrow we are meeting again in the book club, and I'm so excited for tomorrow to listen from Zach, and he's so excited
Okay.
to meet all of you guys. So definitely you will hear something new tomorrow. Thank you.
you so much, Ajay. This really nice. First, so should I ask some more question to someone else, or is
You
it
have
enough for
time.
today?
Yes, you can go ahead.
Yes. Okay. Here, my question is with Mr. Hiralal. Hira,
Please.
okay. What gets you excited about your life?
Oh, trying to something different every time.
What new you did?
Uh, Now I am actually preparing for services,
Huh?
and
Huh?
uh, before before few months I have started my coaching institute,
Hmm?
and I tried to learn with teaching.
Hmm.
This is something new I have done in last few months.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Next question is with Mr. Nilesh.
Yeah, Sutosh, go ahead.
Okay. When was the last time you tried something new?
Actually, yes, this is a very good question, and I agree with Ajay that every day we have some challenge before us, and that make us, do something new and try something new. So, being
Okay.
more specific, last time I think I have started learning new technology in my, for my project, and that was told before that something new is coming to our project, and we have to be ready. So being on a legacy system, it was kind of outdated system. So I also started thinking in that way that we should be prepared, and taking it as a challenge and learn it the emerging technologies that is going around now. So that would help in the many ways, that first we have to be ready for the worst, and if something would be new, so definitely it is for betterment of our technological advancement, or our making our life easy. So that is what I started taking it seriously. So that is one thing I tried new.
Okay. Thank you. Next question is with Sakti. Hello.
Yes,
Hello,
Asutosh,
Sakti.
this could be the last topic because we are running little.
Okay.
We are
Okay.
time.
So, okay. What gets you excited about your life, Sakti?
Gets it is always everything gets excited about life. Every day we face new challenges in our day-to-day life, right? For example, now we are facing COVID-19, and we never thought that we will be staying in one a room or flat for more than 1 month. We never imagined that, but still it is a good challenge for all of us, and we are facing it in a good way. And apart from that, there is always we see someone who is better than us, and that's motivates us that we can also be like them. We follow different anchor, or fitness trainer, and every day gives us hope that if they have achieved that things, so we can also by seeing six pack abs of a bodybuilder, we also imagine that yes, we can also do. So we try to do things like, for example, here also we have seen that Ajay has improved his public speaking skills, right? So that makes
Right.
us excited. Yes, we can learn this also if someone is doing
Okay.
good things. So all these things are, by seeing better people than yourself, it makes feel us excited, because we get a chance to learn from them.
Okay.
Thank you.
So thank you so much, Sakti, and all of you. That a lot of ideas I have listened it, and I will try to use it. And
Thank
day by
you.
day, I will also try to improve myself. So thank you, all of you.
Thank you, Asutosh, for conducting a beautiful table topic session, very informational. And I remember, yeah, Sakti messaged me on a Facebook, you have transformed. After I have posted that video, I remember, I think a lot of comments that time, and 60 or 70 plus comments, and everybody wants like okay, if I told you like you are doing great, then they wanted my reply. Come on, I don't use Facebook a lot. If you have praised me, you like me. That does not mean that I will be telling you thank you all the time. I don't know. For some reason, people over social media they expect which is like out of my radar or contest. All right, that concludes our table topic, and I hope all of us have enjoyed this table topic session. Thank you so much, Asutosh. I will go ahead and invite all our evaluators who will evaluate everybody and give us really constructive feedback, what we are good at and what are the things we need to work on. For presenter number 1, I will call Nilesh. Nilesh, go ahead and give your feedback.
All right. So this is a feedback for Vaibhav, who was
Mhm.
presenter number 1. So it was so nice, and I personally liked his speech very much. It was sounding like like a well prepared speech, and Vaibhav must have prepared it very well, and it was consistent throughout. It was consistent. He never took a long pause, and modulation was also perfect, very good. And one feedback I would like to provide, I would like to add one more thing, that being icebreaker speech, we were expecting a little more about Vaibhav. So it was a little concise, and he finished his speech, you know, in a very short time. So that was the only thing I would say about it. Otherwise, it was very well prepared and very organized and very consistent. So thanks, Vaibhav, for all this.
Thank you, Nilesh, for the feedback. From the next time onwards, I would take the length of the speech into account moving forward.
And a
Right.
little more about you. Yeah.
Thank you, Nilesh. I hope this feedback is going to help Vaibhav. Even I had the same problem when I started 2 years back, that I could not deliver long speeches. And right now the problem is if time is 5 minutes, I'm going over 6 minutes, which I should not be doing. So that will
Yeah,
come.
we have just experienced Ajay in your table topic.
Oh, really? My bad.
No,
Yeah.
no, that's completely fine. But we loved it.
Okay. All right. I will go ahead and call evaluator number 2. Sakti, who is giving feedback to others. Welcome, Sakti.
Yes, so I found that others had prepared his speech. Means he has given time on preparing the speech, and he means sometimes he needs to work on his pronunciation skills, like word incidents and about something there is a touch of our native language, so he should work on this. And apart from that, I would like that others should mug up the speech, not try to read the speech. He should try to mug up the speech as much as he can. That will help him to improve the vocab and to remember the things. So that is very necessary, because by reading this speech you cannot become a speaker. You need to mug up things and then can see yourself that how much you are able to deliver. This is for all of us whoever are preparing and not mugging up, because I have realized that I am learning three speech I have given. I have mugged up that speech, and I remember everything of that speech now, so I can use the vocabs or the quotations in anywhere else also. So mugging up the speech is very important, because if you want to be a public speaker, you need to mug up things. Then only you can able to correlate and you can make points whenever you are asked for. That's it. Thanks.
Thank you, Sakti. I think this is one of the great feedback for all of us. Like if we read from piece of paper, we can't focus on body language or vocal variety or gestures. If we are well prepared, if we are not mugging up, I would say try to internalize your speech. I don't mug up my speech. I just have like, okay, what could be my opening, what could be my conclusion. So in that way you are not sounding like a robot. So I think that was a great feedback, Sakti. I remember I was doing a project on, I was doing a play. I was doing a play and I have to act like an actor. And I was doing a play from that one, Ramayan, where Vibhishan goes and asks his father, like, just forget about Sita, renounce the desire of Sita and save this entire splendid Sri Lanka. And his father never listened to it. During that play, I learned a very good vocab, and those are like really outlandish vocabulary, but those are nice to have. So this is just not a challenge to all of you. I mean, I have few vocabulary which I would like to ask everybody if they know. Number one, renounce. How many of you know that word?
Yeah, I have heard about
I
it.
know.
Yes, I know.
Sorry, who knows?
Nilesh,
I know.
I knew.
What is that? What is the meaning of it?
Give up or keeping yourself away, abstinence, or
No, not really.
I think renounce means त्याग करना.
Yeah,
Kind
I
of.
don't think.
Renounce is like, again, it is between sacrifice and good sacrifice, So it is like when you are desiring something for good, that is known as desire. When you desire something for lust, that is known as renounce. Vocabulary too. I know. I know. This is the last one. I think this is the easy one. How many of you know the word called hermit?
saint,
I know. I know.
I know. Okay. I heard from Nilesh. I heard from Vaibhav. Who else? Yeah, you are right, Nilesh. Hermit is somebody who has given self-denial, who has spent his life throughout his life practicing austerity. So these are some good vocabs to have. Like, I have a big list of it, but I don't have time to go through it right now. Now it's time for me to give a feedback to my target speaker, who is Pallavi. Where is Pallavi? She is here.
Yes.
First of all right. First of all, I would like to thank Pallavi to you for sharing a beautiful, inspirational, informative story with all of us. I congratulate you, first of all, to complete your project number 1, the icebreaker. You have break ice and in such a beautiful way. Today, I'm going to give you feedback, the things which I liked most about your speech, which were pretty striking to me, and things which you could have done better, and you can do better for the next time. I think I have 7 things which I loved about your story of icebreaker. Your introduction, the way you introduced yourself, telling about your name. My name is Pallavi Dwivedi, and describing the meaning of it. That was something I was able to connect. When you talked about Pallavi means intelligent mind, that shows how much sincere you are for us and all the audience who want to explain the meaning of it and help us understanding who you are. So that was the idea I love the most. And then your story, I felt it was pretty smooth transition there. It was not abrupt at all. You talked about where you were born, a city called Agra, if I have heard it correctly, and
Yeah.
you described about why Agra is famous. Like, you gave us kind
Yeah.
of educational feeling on our heritage we should take pride of. Like, Agra is one among the 7 wonders. Not a lot of people would be knowing who are in foreign country. So that was a beautiful way to sell your ideas. Then you talked about again how you learned sharing and caring about your grandmom. That was your first phase of life, and then you moved on to second phase, which all of us go through, doing engineering from a very prestigious university, Amity University in Lucknow. And you described there how sincere student you were, and you made some best friend, your partner, if I'm not wrong. You,
Yeah.
you met your partner there, and then you talked about again like the third phase. You jumped into the third phase where you talked about you were a Java developer. You started your career as a Java developer, and how challenging it can be changing profession. I can completely sense that pain, because I am here in the country and I have to go through all the phases when I don't have to change my profession, but I cannot stick with one particular technology because technology is changing each and every day. And I know how challenging it is for somebody who is a Java developer to transition to ETL developer or a SQL developer. So that was, I felt I was able to connect with you really well. And what a nice way you ended that you now you want to be a teacher and you want to educate the society. I felt everything went pretty well. If I have to give you feedback what you could have done better for the next time, try to slow down a little bit. I know when we grow up especially in India, then we have a habit of speaking too fast.
Mm.
Slow down a little bit, take some proper pause. That gives time for your audience to capture what you said and recall, okay, she talked about Agra, right? How Agra would be. That gives time for audience to visualize it. That is the
Mm.
final recommendation I have for your speech. But other than that, the language, the command over language, very beautiful. You used all vivid words, which are like really descriptive. That created imagery to me, optimistic and interpersonal skills. Very well done. And I wish you all the best. I am so excited to hear more speeches from you, Pallavi, and know more about you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ajay. And this is my problem since childhood. My rate of speed is very high,
Mhm.
and this time I have matlab, from the I have spoken a little in a like what is this? From a childhood, my rate of speed is very high. Now I am trying to like work on this particular thing only
Correct.
because you are correct, because of this speed I am not able to connect with the audience, and I
Right.
have faced this thing several times.
Right. For example, right now you are fine. You have all Indian audience, right? Tomorrow you
Mm.
have an audience. So our like dialects is little different when you grow up in India.
Yeah.
So when I moved to this country, I had this problem. I used to speak like anything, just complete and go home. And people used to
Mm.
stare at me, thinking that I came from a different world. And then I realized, okay, this is just the rate of speech and a little bit about dialects. So I think you have a pretty neutral dialect, so that is not a problem. Just like work on a little bit on your rate of speech. Think about like this takes time, so no hurries. We are able to understand you, not a problem. Think about if you are my audience, if you are if I'm giving a speech and you are evaluating, right? If you think like that, then you will slow down eventually. That's not a
Mm.
very minor detail. You have all the great things, whatever makes a good speaker. And I'm so excited to hear from you, Pallavi. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you so much.
That I think concludes our meeting. And I have one announcement. I think for Pallavi and guys who are joining for the first time, we are doing one more meeting tomorrow. That is a online book reading club, and all of us are given a chapter where we have to prepare a lot for last in a week, and then we have to address three important points. Number one, what is the central idea author is trying to convey? Number two, what are your learnings and takeaway from that particular book? And number three, how we are going to implement that idea from that book. So these are three things we focus, and our goal is to learn a lot from those good self-help book. I think for tomorrow book is How to Win Friends and Influence People, and all of you have been allocated one chapter. All of us, I think we have all the audience from India, and myself, Zach, and Janet are joining from United States. I have
And Jayant also.
sorry.
Jayant.
Yeah, Jayant is also joining. He messaged me last night. He's my friend. So four of us are joining from here. I'm so excited for tomorrow. Any feedback, Pallavi? You are joining here for the first time. How did you like meeting? It's good. You think it will help you, or it's boring, or you know? We
It was a very good experience, and I am so happy that every participant here is like he wanted to learn something. They are confident in at whatever levels they are, but they are so confident, they are taking participation. That is a very good thing. And I really think I will excel as well as all other are going to excel this language, this is communication, and they are, all of them are going to be a very good speaker.
Thank you, Pallavi. I appreciate it. Good feedback for all of us. And as I said to Sakti or to everybody, last meeting, even Zach was very impressed with all of us. Like he commented on our drive towards life. He commented on the fire, and he was like, "What, Ajay? What you are doing to motivate all of them? They are so well prepared, you know." So that's why he's joining tomorrow as well, and we are like so excited to hear from him. He's a very good guy, very driven, and I was invited on his TV interview last week. So probably once I have that video, I will share with all of you. So I think that's all for today's meeting, and next week we are doing a virtual dinner. Okay. So we will be conducting this meeting and I have this idea of doing a virtual dinner. So do you guys know what that means?
No.
No, please tell about that.
All right. So, I mean, if you just keep learning without fun, then that will not last for a long time, right? So that's what we do. That will be a kind of networking for all of us. So we are going to have, like, all of us are going to cook their own food and eat in front of us, so that we get a feeling of kind of family. We are like eating together, you know. So for you guys, it's dinner. For me, it will be like a breakfast. That sounds like a good idea.
Yeah, it's a good idea.
Yes.
Any contradictions for that? Anybody who does not agree with me?
I totally agree with you.
All right.
No,
I didn't hear it from.
We are totally agree.
Okay. So that is the one thing. Next week, we are not having this kind of meeting. We did like 4 to 5 this kind of meeting where we gave opportunity to everybody. So we have decided to take a break and continue this one from next week. So next week, I have all the recordings for all of you, and we will play that and try to like correct who is doing what mistakes. So that in that way, like, you are doing your introspection, I would say. So that will be a kind of good learning experience. So for example, if I see people like Sakti, who is doing really great with his presentation, but again he has to slow down a little bit, right? So we will give like we will play that recording in front of everybody and see what you could have done better. I have all the recordings for all the meetings, and I will or do you guys have, like, this is a good idea to go through it, or?
No, it's a good idea, Ajay.
Okay,
that will be
so
great.
that is the announcement number 1. The announcement number 2 is I know that I'm so busy here, and trust me guys, I'm trying to help everybody in the best possible way I can, but I also have my professional commitment and all. So rather than everybody reaching out to me, I will allocate one mentor for all of you guys. So for example, let's say that Asutosh is doing well in the way he delivers his speech, right? So probably I will assign Asutosh can take help from Sakti, or Sakti can take help from Asutosh, something like that. I can help 2 to 3 people, so whoever is ready, just text me. You can practice in front of me, and I can give you a feedback where you can slow down, where you can use more vivid body language, those things, I have given already my contact number with you guys. I'm in that group. So that I'm still working on identifying everybody's strength and a little bit of areas of recommendation. So that is all for next week, and I'm so excited to see everybody tomorrow.
Ajay.
Mm-hmm. Go ahead.
Hello, Ajay.
Yes, sir.
I have to talk. And last week we have communicated one thing. We have another topic, that daily routine you have mentioned.
Right.
So that we have to discuss, I guess.
Exactly.
Next. So that is one thing. And I ask you personally that we have one group Mike,
Right.
me, Sakti, Nilesh, and we all are working. Like this
Mhm.
week, we have not communicated a lot because of our busy schedule. But
Mhm.
we want to know, like maximum time we are doing table topics.
Oh.
Maximum time. Yes.
Mhm.
After, like, other than table topic, what we can do in our group, like me, Sakti, Nilesh, and we all are meeting on that group. So what we can do extra for that.
Sure.
So you should guide us. So that helps
Mhm.
us a lot. Yeah,
Mhm.
that is one thing.
Sure, Asutosh, I would be glad to help you with that. And even I was like thinking on a similar line. So you read my mind. I'm so happy. I will share
And
some of ideas you guys can
should
implement.
I say one thing? Like one
Mhm.
day we can make one thing, like we all have to communicate on their daily routine, so that we can
Uh,
know and we all can get something, and then you can also deliver on that same topic. Is it okay or
exactly.
is different?
I think, I mean, the way you are following your routine, that defines you a lot. I mean, personally, for
Yes.
me, in last 3 years, I have changed my routine like anything, and that has
Yes.
given me opportunity to express myself a lot, to discover myself actually. I mean, like the way
Yes.
I used to sleep, and I mean, my food, and my health, exercise, and the number of books I read. I mean, how to talk to people. I think everything I have learned in last 3 years, and I felt like everything was because of a good. I don't call it routine. If you call it routine,
Yes.
it's a monotonous word. It's like
Yes.
ritual, So, for example, going to a temple can be ritual for you, right? It's
Okay.
routine. So, if you try to use that in your vocabulary,
Ritual.
you have like lot of motivation, right?
Okay.
Again, the challenge is how to stick to that. Like, you can get a very good ritual from me, but again, the challenge is how to
Yes.
stick to it. I mean, I suggested
Yes.
the same thing to Jayant Prakash, a few
Hmm.
months back, and he was so excited.
Okay.
He tried, and it didn't work out for him. And I'm working
Okay.
with him to make it like more practical. Last night also I messaged,
Okay.
so I can share that idea with you, and I can
Hmm.
share also how to make that more impactful. So I think
Okay.
that would be a good idea. Let me think about that meeting. Thanks for
Hmm.
bringing this to our attention. I mean, that is
Yes.
something we all have to learn. So
Yes.
maybe can we take that in next meeting, or next meeting you want to go over like feedback of what everybody is doing? I felt
Let, let's ask
more
to someone,
important.
everyone. No?
What?
Let's ask to someone, everyone.
Yeah. So how many of you want next session to be a feedback kind of meeting where everybody has to like analyze themselves, that what they are doing good and what they could have done better? How many of you are saying yes to that? Just type in chat here so that I know. Okay. Okay, sounds good. I have not seen any no, so I think everybody is so kind to me. So, sorry guys, I don't take things seriously in life. That's what that's what feedback I get from my colleagues, that why you are laughing all the time, So I think all yes. So next meeting we will go over feedback, and after that meeting we will go over our daily rituals. Asutosh, that sounds good.
Okay.
All
Yes.
right, then I think it's time for you guys to have dinner, and for me to cook some nice delicious lunch, as it's Saturday, and I have other things to do, like I have to write my blog, and lot of things on the list. So I will let everybody go right now. Have a good night, guys, India, and see you tomorrow. Tomorrow same timing. All right.
Good night.
Tomorrow is the same time, right?
Good night,
Yeah,
everyone.
8 p.m. Pallavi, you
8 p.m.
are presenting tomorrow. Do you have any chapter you are going to
Yeah.
present?
Yes, I have one chapter.
Okay, so don't stress yourself. If you need time, like we can, exclude you this time. Like if you are not, if you have not, I mean, if you are not knowing it, like if you have not prepared it, I think. But I think you should be good,
No,
right?
no, I will prepare. It will be an experience for me. So I will
Just
like to
4
prepare.
pages, I think, in one chapter, right? Not more than that.
Ah, yeah, okay.
Like, yeah, I was seeing my tab right now and what chapters I have been allocated. I have to look into that. Sure, then I will let you guys go and have a good night, everybody. Thanks for joining.
Good
Thank you
night.
so much,
Okay,
Ajay.
good night,
Bye
everyone.
tomorrow.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you, everyone.
Good night,
Good
everyone.
Bye bye.
everyone.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Bye.